everybody, it's me, Canva Junky, and I am here to start an Etsy shop with you here in 2022. We hear it all the time on social media and on YouTube of how you can start an Etsy shop and make all of this money, and it's going to be passive income. You just have to do something one time and put it on Etsy and you'll be rich. Yeah, we're going to test out all these theories, okay? And I'm going to take you along on the journey with me because I want to be transparent. I am you. I've been searching high and low for how to start an Etsy shop, and I just feel like I'm being lied to and sold a course, and I don't like that. So let's do it. Let's be honest. I really wanted to start an Etsy shop, and I started researching like crazy because my TikTok started gaining traction. I show people on TikTok like all kind of cool things you can do on Canva, and I started to blow up. Not blow up. Hold on. Rewind. Not blow up. I got like 20,000 followers in like a month. So I was like, okay, I want to do something more than just show you all the things that you can do. Here are some templates, and let me put those templates on Etsy, right? Because that's what TikTok tells you. Sell on Etsy, sell on Etsy. So I said, hey, why not? Let's try it. I started an Etsy shop maybe 2 weeks ago. So like, let's dive into that and look at my Etsy shop and see, one, that is not a get rich quick thing. It's not, okay? I made $2 in 2 weeks. And that's good. Hey, you know what? I didn't make $2 in 2 weeks. Because let's get into it. Let's get into it. So we're gonna go up to my shop manager. And first and foremost, let's see. I started my shop, okay, opened shop October 27th, 2022. So that's just about 2.5 weeks ago because it's currently November 14th, 2022. I have about 39 active listings. There's some SVGs, some Canva templates that are like towards business, save the dates, and Christmas cards. So since then, let's go back to my dashboard. It says 570 views, 276 views 4 hours ago, 1 order, $2 revenue. I know it's only been 2.5 weeks, but you know, you watch those videos on YouTube and they make it seem like you could just be rich overnight, okay? And that's definitely not the case. For me, at least. So yesterday I decided, okay, let me run some ads and see if I can get more orders, right? I'm fine with views. Like the views I feel like I've been getting, but now I want to get more orders. So I was like, let me run an ad for a week. So let's go see what my ads look like. I just started this yesterday. I have a $5 per day limit. And as you can see, I have 2,265 views and 17 clicks, no orders yet. This is all from like not even 24 hours. I think I started this ad yesterday evening, probably around 4 or 5. So it hasn't been long at all. What's making me nervous here is that I am getting a lot of views, not so many clicks, and no orders. That's a little intimidating. So it scared me because it makes me feel like my listings maybe aren't attractive to others, even though they're attractive to me. So I did use Marmalead, I think is how you say it, to better my listings, and I made sure that I had at least a bee on all of them. I'm not gonna lie, I don't understand SEO very much, so I did the best that I can, and to me, having bees on everything was good enough. I probably have to do more research on that and figure out how to get them to A's. But yeah, so this app I do like because like I said, it tells me like what I'm missing. I don't know what the heck a long tail focus keyword is, but I'm trying to figure it out. And as soon as I do, I will let you know, but I'm not having much luck with it. But yeah, it just gives you tips on like how to change your title, maybe adding more pictures, whatever to make your listing better. That's really all I've used thus far. I'm not sure what the rest of this is because I haven't done it. Like I said, I've only had an Etsy shop for 2.5 weeks, so you're literally going on this journey with me. Another thing that I used was, I am a Mac user, so I had to upload Google Chrome for this because it only works on Chrome. But Everbee, this is an extension on Google Chrome that when I log into Etsy, it automatically pops up over here. So what I like is, a lot of people come to me because they make digital products, right? It's the easiest thing to do on Canva, and that is what I show on TikTok. So if you type in digital, all this starts popping up: digital planner, digital prints, digital downloads, and it tells you how many monthly searches each has. That lets you know where you want to go. So whether it's digital prints, digital art, those are the top two for sure. Most people do planners, but 662, that means that the competition is gonna be very high because it doesn't have that many searches. Let's go to digital art and see what is trending on there. So then when you come to this page, you can go over here to product analysis, click that, and everything on this home page pops up. It shows you the price, the product, the shop name, the estimated sales, the revenue in the last month, the total sales, and that gives you an idea of like what people really want. Clearly, this one is great. It's also an ad. But you can also do a product analysis just on this here with Everbee. So this listing is 2 years old, well, almost 3 years old. It has about 24 monthly reviews. It's favorited a lot. Has estimated monthly revenue of 25,000. 273 sales a month, okay? So this gets a lot of searches, looks, sales, all of the above. Something that I did research is that you want to constantly be uploading your Etsy shop with new products. So that I have been doing. As you can see, I have over 40 items in 2 weeks. So I'm on here daily trying to add at least 2 to 3 items a day, sometimes more. I think that is good. I am getting a lot of views. I just need to turn those views into orders. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like Canva tips, please follow me on TikTok at Canva Junky. And if you like this video and you want to know more about starting a real deal in real lifetime, starting an Etsy shop in 2022, then subscribe to my channel and follow this journey with me. See you soon.